Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about dentin. So let's start our topic with introduction. Dentin is hard calcified tissue that forms the bulk of the tooth. It lies beneath the enamel in the crown and beneath the cementum in the root, enclosing the pulp chamber. Although harder than bone, dentin is softer than enamel and it is more resilient, thus provide both strength and flexibility to the tooth. Definition of dentin. Dentin is a mineralized connective tissue that is produced by specialized cells called odontoblasts. It consists of microscopic tubules that extend from pulp to the dentino-enamel junction or dentino-cemental junction. Composition of dentin. It has inorganic material that is about 70% of the dentin. It is mainly hydroxyapatite crystals that are made up of calcium and phosphate. It has organic material that made 20% of the dentin, that is primarily type 1 collagen and proteins. And it has water that made almost 10% of dentin and it is present in tubules and matrix of dentin. Microscopic features of dentin. There are dentinal tubules that are microscopic canal extending from pulp to dentino-enamel junction or dentino-cemental junction that contain odontoblastic processes. It has peritubular dentin, that is highly mineralized dentin around the tubules. Third feature is intertubular dentin, that is found between tubules and it is less mineralized. Types of dentin. Based on time of formation and it is divided on the basis of location. Types of dentin based on time of formation. There is primary dentin that is formed during tooth development until root completion. It constitutes the bulk of the tooth. It includes mental dentin, that is outermost dentin, and circumpulpal dentin, that is inner bulk of the dentin. Second type of dentin is secondary dentin that forms after root completion through the life. It is deposited more slowly, causing gradual reduction of the pulp chamber. Third type is tertiary dentin, that is also called as separated or reactionary dentin. It is formed in response to injuries such as caries, wear, or restorative procedures. It provides a protective barrier for the pulp. Next type of dentin is on the basis of location of dentin. That is mental dentin, that is first formed there just beneath the enamel or cementum. Second type is circumpulpal dentin, that is bulk of primary and secondary dentin that surround the pulp. And then there is pre-dentin, that is a non-mineralized layer adjacent to odontoblasts which later mineralize into the dentin. Formation of dentin is called as dentinogenesis. Dentin is formed by odontoblasts which differentiate from the dental papilla during tooth development. The steps of dentinogenesis or dentin formation include odontoblast differentiation that occur under influence of amyloblast. Second step is secretion of organic matrix, that is pre-dentin. Third step is mineralization by deposition of hydroxyapatite crystals. Fourth, there is dentin formation that occurs lifelong process and it is continued slowly after tooth eruption and that is called as secondary dentin. Properties of dentin. First is hardness. It is softer than enamel but harder than bone and cementum. Second property of dentin is elasticity as it provides flexibility to the tooth and prevents enamel fracture. Third property of dentin is permeability as due to dentinal tubules, dentin allow movement of fluid and stimuli making it sensitive. Fourth property of dentin is vitality as unlike enamel, dentin is a living tissue due to the presence of odontoblastic processes. Functions of dentin. First, it provides support to enamel, thus preventing fracture. Second, it protects the dental pulp by acting as a barrier. Third, it maintains tooth vitality through odontoblasts and dentinal tubules. Fourth, it responds to stimuli like thermal stimuli, chemical and mechanical stimuli by forming tertiary dentin. Clinical significance of dentin. First is dentinal hypersensitivity that opens dentinal tubules and can transmit stimuli causing sharp pain. Second significance is dental caries as caries spread faster in dentin than enamel due to its tubular structure. Third significance is restorative dentistry, that is knowledge of dentin structure essential for cavity preparation, bonding and restoration. Fourth significance is pulp protection as secondary and tertiary dentin protect pulp from injury and infections. Conclusion of this lecture video. Dentin is a vital and dynamic tissue that not only provides bulk and strength to the tooth but also maintains its vitality through lifelong interaction with the pulp. Its structure, composition, and ability to respond to injury make it an essential focus in both dental anatomy and clinical dentistry. And this was all about Dentin. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.